Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear sisters and brothers, Ramadan is upon us and I've got a beautiful surprise for you and an offer. It is catching two birds in one stone. Supporting the creative blowing glass from Palestine, the West Bank, and specifically from my hometown, Al-Khalil, known also as Hebron, Palestine. And through supporting them from the GoFundMe page that I have below or above this video, you will have an access for around a 40% discount offer to install a GreyWater recycling system that gives you free water for around 10 years of the life of your garden at from 1,300, usually how much it costs here in the Bay Area to install just a laundry to landscape GreyWater installation, which means the water that was used in the laundry to be filtered as it is being rerouted to your garden, to your landscape. That costs a minimal of $1,300. With us here at Green Garden Water L.L.C, it will cost you around only $500 plus $400 to give you the kit and to grow with you the garden and the schedules of fertilization and how to protect from the insects and animals and the types of plants that you would want to plant according to the region here to succeed. So allow me to share with you the GreyWater recycling garden. This garden has broccoli, cabbage, kale, chard, cauliflower, all in one area from the laundry water, and it's been ongoing, and a plant, a tomato plant. It was ongoing for 2 years now, and it's about time to plant it again with the early spring and summer plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, and all the healthy, delicious things. And these, I wish I can give them to you. They are the raka leaves, very good for your bones. It's very important for your hormones, ladies, to always be vital and active and young by eating greens every day. So if you have that opportunity to make, even if you're renting your home and you have a landscape, we can arrange that with your landlord to raise your house, his house value or her house value. So don't worry, reach out. There are solutions for everything, even for verandas. We have solutions to reroute the water to apartment, a veranda type of setting that you would have a special creative alternative to use your GreyWater as well as grow things inside your apartment if there's no veranda, or on your veranda if there is one, as long as there's some source of light, and we'll give you the free water. If you're interested in this offer, please click the link and you will see more details and you will find out more. I'm looking forward to you contacting us at GreenGardenWater.com and for your support to our Palestinian blowing glass artisans, because it's very important. You'll know more details at the GoFundMe page. Much love and peace. We have great Ramadan decor and Eid decor there on the GoFundMe page that will lead you to our websites as well for Palestinian arts and crafts. Jazakumullah khair. I'm looking forward to speaking with you soon. Assalamu alaikum.